Welcome to this comprehensive guide on launching a successful Etsy business. Today, I'll be sharing invaluable tips that can set you on the path to prosperity. 1. Choose a niche. Your niche is the cornerstone of your Etsy shop. It sharpens your focus, making it easier to target the right audience and market effectively. 2. High-quality imagery. Invest in professional-grade photos. They're the virtual handshake between your product and potential buyers. Quality visuals are non-negotiable. 3. Clear and informative descriptions. Transparency is key. Your product descriptions should leave no room for ambiguity. Equip your customers with all the information they need. 4. Keywords for discoverability. Utilize relevant keywords strategically. This is vital for search visibility. Optimize titles, descriptions, and tags for maximum exposure. 5. Competitive pricing. A balanced pricing strategy is essential. Consider material costs, labor, and shipping to ensure your products are competitively priced. 6. Excellence in customer service. Customer satisfaction is your best advertisement. Prompt responses, helpful assistance, and going the extra mile can turn a buyer into a loyal customer. Remember, building a successful Etsy business is a journey, not a sprint. Consistency in these practices will lay the foundation for long-term success. Thank you for joining me today. I wish you every success on your Etsy journey.